Hello guys, welcome to Gate Academy Global. I wish you Happy New Year. Happy New Year 2022. Being HOD ECEEIN, I think that I met you after a long gap, and this is the time when I can suggest you something. That's why I came here. I think that you know me well that I am continuously taking EDC, electronic device and circuits, and last year I took analog electronics also in Gate Academy Global, and my name is Shishir. So because of some reason that you come to know next day, that is on 3rd of January, that we have planned something big for Gate Academy students and Gate Academy staff members, and we are going to inaugurate our new office at Bhilai Center. That's why I came late in this particular year after one day, that is on 2nd of January. So this is the time when we have to energize ourselves for because year ahead we have to do a lot, and our energy on first day and second day will definitely decide that what we can do for this particular year, and how much energized we are at this particular first day will definitely decide the whole day. That's why I came here, that I will suggest you some points that will help you. So I think that you know that what is resolution, and we have to take some resolutions, and this is a regular habit of a human being, that every year on 31st they will take some resolutions that next year I will do this and that, but due to no effort or less effort or not a big effort, they are unable to do the things. So I think that resolution is not the word. If you want to do something, then you have to do, then that definitely your intentions, what you want to take, what you want to do is your resolutions. Suppose I wish something, I want to buy a car that is around 45 lakhs, then definitely this is my wish, and I will, if I am not taking any effort in that particular direction, that I will never get these things in my life. Suppose I intended to do these things, that means I have the intentions that I will definitely buy a car, then definitely I will get that by a continuous effort. So एक जिद होनी चाहिए, एक intention होनी चाहिए. So that is the things that I want to suggest you. So we have a certain intentions to get something in your life, then definitely you can get it in your life. So after the end of this year, I suggest you that every students who is have a good plan for themselves, then definitely they have to make a diary in which they have to write some journals that I did this particular things in this year, and in this part I have failed, I have committed mistakes, and in this part I have done good, and in this part I have done excellent. That are the analysis that will definitely help you, that what is positive in your last year performance and what is negative in your last year performance, and where we have failed, and what you have wished to get in the last year, and what we have the intention to get after finishing this year. So this all things will definitely give you some map that what we have to do in this particular years, and whether you can do this one or that one or not, this particular map will definitely clear those things. So when I tried to give or make this video without any planning, then this thought came into mind that this resolution video, how I can make, whether I give you my resolutions or whether I will suggest you some resolutions for your life. So I came to know that whatever resolutions I have taken, if it works for you, then definitely it is well and good. Then definitely I have make my resolutions for this particular year, and definitely I think that this resolution will definitely help you also. So this is the resolution video. So I will take the first resolution that I have taken. Get away from distractions. This is the normal resolutions. I think that in my circumstances, this particular distractions will definitely give you, or I can say give you an idea that this can be copied down. And in my life also I have many distractions. Some negative peoples are there. Being an HOD, I am facing them also. And this particular negative peoples will distract whatever I am doing, whatever I am planning, whatever our directors are planning for them. Then definitely these distractions, either it is from negative people, either it is from digital world, either it is from my own habit, whatever I am planning for this particular day. Habit means suppose I am searching for a good YouTube video content for my subjects, and suddenly one video came to the YouTube, because YouTube is suggesting my interest also. Suddenly YouTube videos comes that this particular restaurant is giving you food like this, and many students are many people are like that particular food, and this is my interest, that because I am foodie and I have planned something for this pupil who is interested in foodie, and I am always taking care that whenever I go somewhere picnic or anywhere else, I simply try to make something for the pupils who is around me. That's why this YouTube is suggesting me that particular thing. So this particular suggestion from the YouTube will distract my mind, and suddenly I open that particular video, and it will take 2 to 3 hours to come down, and again go for my what I have planned. So this is the part that I have to get away from this life in this particular year, and I think that this particular part is also affecting you in this digital world. So I suggest you that you should be focused on your planning. You should be focused on your to-do list, whatever we have planned. And if some distractions come into your life or in your mobile or anywhere else, then definitely you have the intention to get away from that particular distractions, and you have to do for whatever you have planned in that particular period of time. Because before starting anything, I think that you have planned everything for you. So if you are not planned, then definitely this is the second thing that you have to take care. What is that? Follow a healthy timetable. We have to follow a healthy timetable for you. Healthy timetable means before sleeping at night, you have to plan that whatever we have to do in the next year. And if you plan properly about the next day or next not year, next day, then definitely you can wake up at a particular time that you have planned, and you one by one you are completing your work according to your to-do list. But if you haven't planned anything before going to sleep, and you don't know that when you have to wake up next day, and when you have to do what particular work, then definitely you will not able to do anything. So that means your whole day will be get ruined. So that's why you have to make a healthy timetable if you have planned to do anything good in your life. I think that this is also working for you, because I have started this one and writing my diary, because I already doing that part also. But in this year, I have planned that whatever I have planned at night, I will definitely do this one next day. So this is also work for you. And next I will take the third one, that is don't postpone things. So if I am planning anything for students, or I am doing anything for students, I am definitely get that particular response from the students. But sometimes what happens, suppose I have this digital board, and I can easily take PDF from this digital board and I can send to the students. But sometimes due to postponing things, what I am doing that I will take the PDF, but I am not sending to the students. Okay, मैं बाद में send कर दूंगा. This type of postponing the things is working on me. That's why I have planned that I will not postpone anything. So suppose in your life also, if you are having some things to do according to your diary, according to your to-do list, then don't postpone the things. So if you are postponing the things, that means your wish, your intention will definitely postpone. So if you are planning anything after the year end, then definitely your daily effort will give you that part. So don't postpone. So postpone things means you are postponing your intention or your wishes after a year or year like this. So don't postpone the things. And last one that I have taken care is measure your performance. And after finishing a day, you just take the measurement of your performance, or after finishing a week work, you can take the measurement of your performance. Because whatever you are measuring about your performance, then definitely this measuring will give you the negative, positive, everything that you have in your week or day. And definitely this measure will work for you, because it will give you idea that where you are good, where you are excellent, everything. So I think that this particular thing is also working in your life. So I am also doing that particular part, because I am measuring myself. So thank you everyone. Take care, and have a happy year ahead. and take care. Goodbye. Thank you.